welcome back to my channel. It is a gorgeous spring day, so we're gonna stay inside and do some spring cleaning.
I moved into the Sky Castle last December, but as a resident slob, Dirty Dan, I'd just be making a mess. So today we are cleaning the house. Extreme Home Makeover Edition.
Has anyone ever done a video called My Filthy House Tour? That's what I should call this video. It's a disaster. Oh God. Hair extensions on the piano, shoes are everywhere. I have water bottles, Amazon packages. You can even see in the background the kitchen. Good God, but what are you gonna do? First, we're gonna do just a massive throwing away. All the trash gotta go. Big Costco ass bags. Let's go. Burned out candle, gotta go. Random bags. Bag 1 of 8 million. It's literally Coachella weekend and this is what I'm doing. Bye-bye trash. My life is so glamorous. Okay, let's keep going. So many pairs of shoes, George. We gotta put them back in the closet. Why are they all out here? Great. The Great Migration. Okay, we'll organize those in a minute.
Okay, so my dining room is just a ginormous mess. I'm gonna take all this random stuff I don't need and we're gonna move it out of here for a minute.
All right, trash around 55. God. Santa Claus is coming to town, oh yeah. I'm actually very excited for Christmas. I know it's April, but. Okay, that's a little better.
At least now you can see the dirty carpet.
I've been thinking about it a lot and playing with Photoshop. I'm 99% sure I'm gonna do something like this with the black and white floors and the gold and oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited about it. So like, comment, subscribe, buy the jewelry if you wanna see me renovate the rest of the house. All right, anyways, let's keep cleaning. God, dare we actually venture into the kitchen? I mean, I guess it's not so bad. It's just like I have random jewelry everywhere because this is where I pack and ship the jewelry. So like we got that all over the place. There's a dirty pan. George's food is out. Random PR boxes, things I ordered from Amazon, you know. Dare I even show you what's in my fridge? I've shown you before. I would say don't laugh, but it's impossible. Ta-da! Good God, this is pathetic. Also, most of this is not even mine. I need to like throw away the stuff that's expired, like old soup. I order Postmates a lot. I don't know. Whatever, okay, let's clean this up.
Put stuff in the dishwasher. Organize my silverware so it's not just thrown in the drawer randomly. Craft drawers. That's better.
I'll show you the cleaned up tour later, but for now, that's good enough. Cleaning is not really my forte, can you tell? I'm more of a make a mess kind of bitch. Back to this room. I got a bunch of Amazon packages. I should probably open them, find out what they are. La, 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 la. Oh, that's actually hilarious. Okay, yeah, I got my hair extensions, which is literally the same as these. These are the hair that I've been wearing lately. Obsessed with them. They're so beautiful, but very hard to clean when you just keep getting stuff delivered to your house every 2 seconds. What are you gonna do? We'll have to put all our hair in a hair spot, Georgie. Come on. You're such a good sidekick. Literally just have random fabrics all over the house because I actually finally went to pick up those couches that I've been talking about for actually literally over a year. So those are in the reupholstery shop, but I need to pick out some fabrics for them. I actually went downtown the other day to get some. So fun, like check this out. I got a couple of different fabrics. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use. I'm actually currently kind of obsessed with the idea of doing like curtains in here. They're all starting to look the same. So that'll be super exciting when I eventually pick something. This was actually in my Amazon box. Do you guys wanna do a quick craft? For my little sconces, I just thought it would be fun to like put trim on them and make them just a little more fabulous.
So that's what I did. Good old DIY style. I just kind of hot glued some of the trim onto the lampshades and now look at that. A little bit specialer. Anyways, back to, well, not really cleaning, but kind of.
Okay, now that it's kind of picked up, let's actually clean. Got some cool glass cleaner because Lord knows I should be sponsored by a mirror cleaning company. But I gotta clean my own mirrors. Oh yeah, baby. That's beautiful. This is gonna take me 17 hours. Okay, but the biggest place we have to clean the mirrors is the mirror bathroom. Whoa! Oh no. Also, totally random side note, how beautiful is this random bottle of soap that I got at Home Goods? This was literally $4. Beautiful. Alrighty, that's clean enough. Should we do the ballroom mirror now? The ballroom is actually pretty clean, aside of the George tumbleweed fur balls that I really need to clean up. Let's clean this puppy. God, it's literally never ending. Hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Brand new. Like I said, we gotta clean up the George tumbleweeds of fur. So let's swiffer. The hell? Oh, there we go. All right. La 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 la. This is such an exciting video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more really interesting content. Woo! Non-housewife of the year. Wow, it's legitimately disgusting. All right, let's do the closet. Oh. Yeah, right now everything's just like a little bent out of shape. It's not organized right. So let's get everything looking proper. Tilt the shoes on the side to be sidewards facing. Oh, so sexy. Put our sneakers back where they belong. Ah! Oh no! Damn it, now I have to clean that too. Wow. La-dum-dum-dum. Like, this is a mess. We gotta organize this. We're even gonna get this out. Oh, good. Recognize the puppies. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful. Way more fun than taking out the trash. Hi, Muffin. I love you. Okay, so... let's open these boxes. God only knows what's in them. I don't actually think there's anything in some of them. This is just an empty perfume container. Yep, empty. Absolutely nothing. Great. I have so many clothes. Let's go through this and see what I need to keep and what I don't. Some of this stuff is just things I've never worn, so I think I'm gonna list a bunch of it on Poshmark. As beautiful as this is, I live in LA. When am I wearing this? Ready? Poshmark. God, what else? Oh God, can't wait to go skiing in this. Oh, I love this. This is my Easter dress. Keeping that. This is super cute. I don't really wear this though. Ah yes, phenomenally impractical. Keeping. This is why my closet is never cleaned out. Oh yeah, for sure keep. I really should probably get rid of these, but I'm not gonna. Not only should I not get rid of this, I should wear this tonight. We should definitely do some laundry because I have literally so much of it. Oh, let's do it. I feel so domestic today. Boom. Oh God, what? Which the laundry's done. Oh God. I will not be putting that away anytime soon. All right, now we gotta put this away. Oy. Okay, we gotta organize this. God, what do I even have in here? I have press-on nails, I have my tanning lotion, eyelashes. I literally have so much random stuff. I really shouldn't have random bras on the floor. Nothing sexy going on, I just am lazy and messy. Definitely gotta clean my makeup collection because it's a disaster. I cleaned my brushes, reorganized the drawers. I made a drawer full of eyelashes. I set up my perfume all pretty. I did the whole shebangity bang. So then it's like, I mean, again, still not completely organized, but a little better. That's better. Okay, my bedroom is just a mess for no reason. I have like hauls sitting in the corner. I have jewelry. Actually, this is exciting. I was like playing with a bunch of new stones. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Like, could you die? I actually just got these in yesterday. Aren't these beautiful? These are necklaces. They come with the matching earrings. So stinking cute. So I'm probably gonna post these on the website tonight. So exciting, yay. Those are live now. By the time I post this video, I'm sure they're up on the website. So you can shop those if you want a twin and be fabulous. Anyways, back to cleaning. Anyways, yeah, this is what's floating around my house at any given moment, so I'll put that back in the jewelry section here. Oy. I'm hungry. We're gonna go get lunch, and also I need to get a car wash too, so. Field trip, because the best part about spring cleaning is spring more shopping. Deranged. Stop and get a smoothie real quick. All right, let's get a car wash.
Oh yeah, we're getting gas. We're getting this cleaned. This is so exciting. Go, baby, go. Hee, just for fun. Get some candles. I love candles. Yay.
This is the most deranged thing you've done today. Well, we're literally at a fish store. Gonna get George a brother.
Oh, hi. Oh, you're so beautiful. Hello. What are we gonna name you?
Look how beautiful you are. By the way, you guys, his name is Rutherford the First. Hello, Rutherford. I love him.
And now we've vacuumed the house because everyone knows you need a clean carpet in your house. I don't know, I'm not really the world's greatest vacuumer, but the floors are looking pretty spiffy.
Very nice.
And one eternity later.
Dun, ta-da! It's clean! The after clean tour. It's late because it took me all damn day to clean the house, but ta-da! Oh, isn't it beautiful? You can't really see how different the paint looks at night, but...
Did you guys notice? I had Ryan the painter come through and paint my once very boring white walls into more exciting white walls. They're ivory Venetian plaster, like you can see kind of in the lighting. It just gives it so much more dimension and life, and it's just beautiful. I am obsessed with it. Thank you, Ryan. We love you.
The sconces are so gorgeous at night. Oh my gosh, and just, wow. It's just so clean. This is gorgeous. No giant tumbleweeds of dirt. We love it. Bar is kind of cleaned up. There's not as much random shit everywhere. The dining room is still a bit of a mess, but what can I say? This is my storage center, so it is what it is. Ta-da! The kitchen is nice and clean. There's no more expired goods. This tour is jank. Okay. By the way, over here, this is all taped up and weird because I had to move the light socket box over because I am putting some beautiful fluted columns going all the way up here. So exciting. It's gonna look a little something like this. I photoshopped it. Pearlworks is gonna come in and do that next week. Very excited. So that's gonna be fabulous. You can see the bathroom, nice and clean. Look at all the mirrors. Took me forever to clean, but it looks good. Ballroom is perfectly spotless and gorgeous at night. Again, no George tumbleweeds. Oh, you can kind of see the little piece of loose fabric here though also. This is gonna be the drapes in here. So this is gonna look like this. That's gonna be so pretty. Laundry room. At least there's no laundry. Bedroom. Hi, Georgie. Ta-da! The closet is all nice and clean. Look at that, baby. Woo! It's all organized and set up all beautiful. I got the shopping bags up there to I don't know, just fill it up until I get more shoes for the top. But this is all organized and nice. Wow, so put together. Most importantly, look at this. Look at the size of this box, you guys. TV is coming. Jesus.
This is literally the best thing I've ever bought in my life.
Size check.
I've been watching TV on it nonstop. Sorry, I haven't been posting videos. I've been rewatching the entire Sex and the City discography. But oh my gosh, I love my TV.
So that's literally freaking amazing. Obsessed with this. This closet's a little cleaner. Even though it doesn't look like it, I swear it is. Bathroom is spick and span right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Rutherford is chilling out. All my perfumes and organized the shelves a little bit. You know, made them look a little nicer. The shower doesn't have hair on the floor. Incredible. It's the little things. Come here, pumpkin. Hi. That was exhausting. Stay clean, stay fabulous, and also a little bit dirty. XO. Hey, George. Do you have anything to say? Cool. I'll let everyone know.